Good morning, guys. Our topic for today will be linking words. Let's start with this tongue twister. Fresh, fried fish. Fish, fresh, fried, fried, fish, fresh. Fish, fried, fresh. Linking is very important in English. Link words are words that link or relate ideas within the same sentence or paragraph. When we use linking, two things happen. You will understand other people more easily. Other people will understand you more easily. There are two main types of linking: consonant, vowel. Reading words ending with a consonant sound. Two words beginning with a vowel sound. Vowel to vowel. We link words ending with a vowel sounds to words begins with a vowel sound. Examples: consonant to vowel in the phrase turn off, turn off, turn off. Now, vowel to vowel in the phrase two apples, two apples, two apples. Now, let's do linking quiz. Answer this two simple questions. Number 1. When speaking English, we can often link a word with another the word that is A or B. And number 2, linking occurs mostly when used ending with a vowel or consonant sounds are followed by words that begin with A or B. Thank you, guys. Goodbye.